Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super cool for all the Hot Wheels fans out there. The Hot Wheels Pocket Launcher with car, model number FTH84. This one's brand new, still sealed, and it's time to see what it's all about. So what's inside the package? We've got a mini car launcher, compact, colorful, and ready for action. This little guy is perfect for on-the-go racing. No batteries needed, no setup, just load, aim, and fire. It even comes with a Hot Wheels car included, and just look at those orange rims. Pure racing energy, right? Hot Wheels released this under their Action series, so it's all about speed, stunts, and fun. And the best part? It's small enough to fit in your pocket. So whether you're at home, in the car, at school, okay, maybe not during class, you can race anytime, anywhere. Let's talk a little bit about Hot Wheels in general. These tiny cars have been burning rubber since 1968, and they've come a long way. From classic muscle cars to wild, fantasy designs, and even real car replicas. Whether you're a collector, a kid, or a big kid at heart, you know exactly how exciting it is to launch one of these across the room and see it fly. Now back to our pocket launcher. I love how the launcher is simple and durable. The grip is nice, and the trigger has that satisfying click. It's almost like holding a tiny drag race blaster. Perfect for fast duels with friends. All right, let's test it. Boom! That was awesome. Clean launch, good distance, not bad for something you can stash in your backpack. But hey, we're not done yet. In our next video, we're taking this launcher outside. Yep, we're gonna hit the streets, test it on ramps, curbs, maybe even some dirt jumps. We'll find out if it's really pocket-sized power in the wild. So don't forget, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and follow along for more Hot Wheels unboxings, races, and wild experiments. Thanks for watching, and keep those wheels spinning.